Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Use 250 g all-purpose flour, 125 g cold butter, 1 egg, and 60 ml cold water for the dough. Cut the cold butter into the flour until pea-sized crumbs form. Bring the dough together gently, wrap, and chill for 30 minutes. When ready, roll the dough and cut rounds to roughly 3.5 inches for handheld pies. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C while you make the filling and assemble pies. Chilling ensures a flaky crust and consistent baking, while the oven reaches the correct temperature. Brown 500 g minced beef with 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium onion diced, and 2 cloves garlic minced, cooking until no longer pink. Add 1 medium carrot grated and 100 g frozen peas, stirring for 2 minutes to soften. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste, then add 1 cup water, simmering until thickened. Season with 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper to create a well-balanced Nigerian-style meat filling. Cool the filling before assembling to prevent soggy pastry. Fill pastry rounds with about 1.5 tablespoons of the cooled meat filling, fold over, and press edges to seal. Use a fork to crimp for a neat finish. Brush each pie with beaten egg to promote an even golden glaze and dock the tops with a small fork hole to vent steam during baking. Bake at 200 degrees C for 25 minutes until golden brown and crisp, then cool on a rack for 10 minutes before serving. Serve warm as snack or meal. Store leftovers in the refrigerator up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.